Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. If you watched my last vlog, if you didn't, I'll leave it above. Blah, 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 blah. This is what happens when I do unboxings. You might have an idea of what is in this Gucci unboxing. Now, I am just going to make this a super snappy, quick unboxing. I promise you. If you are new here though, please consider staying around, coming back, visiting, subscribe, please. And if you like these kind of videos, and I'm sure you're going to like this one, give it a thumbs up. This is the first time I saw this bag in person. Yes, it's a bag. And because I said it's a bag in the video description, right? Stop delaying, Dale. First time I saw it in person, and I tried to talk myself out of it before I even saw it in person. And I do this because I think this is not what I should be spending my money on. And then actually I watched Autumn's video, and she talked about the fact that she had enough classics and it was time to have some fun, and I thought, it is time to have some fun. So this bag is fun, and I hope you like it. And if you don't, I don't care, because I love it. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Da, da, da. Okay. What's inside, people? Come on, you should have guessed by now. I might have put a little hint in the thumbnail. I might have done, possibly. Is that really noisy? Comes in this little bag. It's a teeny tiny little dust bag. I'd like to present to you, story times in the vlog, my green apple bag. This is the Gucci bamboo handle bag in the mini size in the green. I found my green bag. This thing is supposed to keep the bamboo in shape. I need to take all of this stuff out of it and just show it to you in all of its glory. This one is a brand new one. It wasn't a display model. I did ask if they had another one. Let me just put it together. Oh my God, look at it. Isn't it stunning? Now, this one was referred to in my Instagram polls as a green apple bag, but I have to say that seeing this in person compared to pictures on the Gucci website is something else. And I'd love to thank the ladies who DM'd me pictures of them trying it on. Because you really helped me, and then when I went into the store to see it for myself, I kind of already thought I knew how it would fit, but it was actually much more flattering than I thought. So if you hadn't seen my vlog already, here are some of the mod shots that I took in the store, and oh my God, like, it's green, it's going to be a statement. My phone doesn't fit, before you ask, my phone doesn't fit. But it's fine, because on the day that I was shopping, my bag of the day was my Fendi Nano baguette, which was absurd. So you can see in here, you can fit a key holder, a card holder, some lipsticks, everything but a phone. I could probably squeeze my phone in, but it would be a tight squeeze for a Pro. Definitely not a Pro Max. Maybe in this little front slit, but I don't know why you would want to try and bend the bag out of shape. I just thought green was going to be a statement, and I've always wanted some bamboo, and every bamboo bag is a statement bag, and I could not be happier with this. It reminds me of the vibes I got when I bought my Fendi baguette, because it's just so fun. The beauty of this bag is that it comes with two straps. So it comes with, unlike Louis Vuitton's Alma, which I did try and rejected a couple of times, it comes with a green leather strap that is adjustable, and it has many adjustments, and I like to put it on the longest one. But considering that this literally just came out of the out of the wrapper. Very heavily packaged. Like, I think people talk about Coach doing a lot of packaging on their bags. Yeah, well, Gucci does the same if you were to get a Gucci bag that had not been on the floor already or unwrapped. So I'm just going to, I know I look like I'm being really rough here. Because these are coated leather, they do need a little bit of time to just soften up. So I will be just hanging this somewhere in a sunny position so that it does loosen up a little bit and get some of these kinks out of it, because you can see it's a little bit kinked, but the finishing on this bag is stunning. And look at these little clasps with the Gucci written on there, and then they just kind of slide over these little thingies, so it's got like an extra little ring on there so it doesn't attach to the handle itself, and you just slide it on like so. They're actually quite powerful little things. Like, my hands are a little bit weak in terms of putting it on there. Right. Okay, so there it is with its green strap, and I will do some mod shots of that for you, but just take a look at the finish on this thing. It is just beautiful. Look at this bamboo. And it's all different because each piece of bamboo is heated and then bent into shape. And that little rubber thing there is to help it stay in shape. But underneath it looks like an accordion style, but it's actually just one main compartment, really. Inside, this is an all over the place unboxing, I'm sorry. Inside has one single card slot in the green leather there. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Now, the benefit of this bag, and I tried on the larger size as well, is it does come with a webbing strap. This green bag comes with the navy blue and red webbing, and it has green leather tabs on the edge with, again, the beautiful Gucci gold hardware. And this is fully adjustable and works great for the curvier girls and the smaller girls. And this bag looks great with both straps. I see this bag being just as good for like an evening bag flex or a lunch flex, just carried by the top handle, as crossbody for a bit of a shopping moment, or even more casual with jeans. Like, I just think it's got so many options. And when I kept going back and forth between Louis and Gucci, I just went, you know what? This is it. It's the bag. And I was tossing up between the white bag that was a bigger size, but I thought, I've already got a white bag. I've got my Fendi Peekaboo. Here we are. I've got my Fendi Peekaboo in the white. I don't need two white bags. I've got my Murakami, but that's different. And then I also thought that the white might be at risk of being superseded by this one, because they're both kind of light coloured neutrals, and I'd probably pick this one more. So this is totally different to anything else I have in my collection, meaning that it doesn't have to compete. And I think it can go with so many of my outfits because it doesn't go with anything, which is perfect, right? So this bag cost, so this bag was $3,665, and the next model up was about $4,800 or something, so quite a big price difference, and it only came in limited colours. This is the mini, the next size up is the small. But isn't it just glorious? I think it is. I think it's beautiful. I will take some close-up shots so that you can have a look at it, and I'll show you the full details of this bag. I see myself wearing this, as I said, day to night. I just wanted to get it out and open it up and start using it, because I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to do the mod shots again. It was a really fun buying experience today because everything was so quiet because of the pandemic, and so it was nice to just go in and have the place to myself. So look, I Thanks to everyone who contributed to the conversation. I think once you see the mod shots of the Alma and this, hopefully you agree with me that I made the right choice for my perfect green bag. I hope you do. I do anyway. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Sorry this has been an absolute dog's breakfast of an unboxing. They always are with me because I'm always giddy and excited. I'm just happy with myself that I took the plunge and got something fun. I really am. So thanks for joining me. I will see you in my next video. Ciao for now. Bye.